Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PlayStation 5 DNS settings for faster downloads, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure your PlayStation 5 DNS settings for faster downloads, start by powering on your console. Navigate to the settings menu from the home screen. Select the network option. Next, choose settings from the network menu. Click on Set up Internet Connection. You will see a list of available networks. Select your Wi-Fi network or the Ethernet option, depending on your connection type. If you're connecting via Wi-Fi, enter your network password when prompted. Once connected, select Advanced Settings at the bottom of the screen. Look for the DNS settings option. Change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. Here, you need to enter your preferred DNS servers. For faster downloads, you might consider using Google's DNS servers, 8.8.8.8 for primary and 8.8.4.4 for second. If you prefer alternative DNS servers, consider using Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 for primary and 1.0.0.1 for second. After entering the DNS information, confirm your changes. Once you have updated the DNS settings, return to the main network menu. Select Test Internet Connection to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you're all set to enjoy faster downloads on your PlayStation 5. Remember that changes to DNS settings can impact your online experience, so monitor your connection for any changes in performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.